Levi getting ready to go into the house. What's up, Lee? Let's get a full picture of your outfit here. Yeah, G-Dog. All right. We got Levi.
Yeah.
Levi under the house. What you gotta say, Lee?
What you gonna say?
You gotta say rock and roll.
I'm scared. See, I guess they're following me, but that's all it is. So,
Here we are.
feeling
All right, we going, Lee.
fine.
You ready? Let's roll. Come on. Cave dwelling, Cohen air conditioning. Cohen air, baby.
Let's go.
All right, good. Follow me. You all right?
Oh my god, this is probably getting
How you doing? You're doing good. You're doing good. What is that? Is that the condensation line?
There's like 1%. There is a little water coming out of that.
Ugh. Woo! Huh?
Oh, I just hit my hand.
You all right? Good job, dude. Come on. Woo! Watch your knees.
I know.
Military.
This is crazy, dude.
Through the trenches, dude. All right, dude. Hold on.
I mean, wow.
Give me that camera. We down here. What we did was we pulled these here tubing lines. Now we're waiting for Cheech on the other end here. Levi's gone. He's rolling. Careful. Good job, dude.
What's that?
Watch your feet on the wires. All right, get up there. Here, Lee, here's the phone. It's still recording. Here. Okay, here. Still recording. Get up out the hole now. I'm coming out.
We made it.
Here's Johnny. Oh yeah. Cohen air conditioning heating, baby. Bye for now.